It's a new studio, it's a new vibe, and I'm kind of liking the energy of working with new people. So, yeah, new direction, and I'm excited about that. I didn't tell you guys how my show went, but it was okay. We had a few minor glitches along the way, but it was okay nonetheless. Guys, I am so in love. Guys, so I'm so in love with my hair. This is what I'm wearing today, and I'm just so in love with my hair. Oh my god, I think the hairdresser did a really good job. She took my idea and she brought it to life. So if you guys are interested in this hairstyle and you guys are living in Jamaica, please check out at Jeannie Price, yeah, for this hairstyle. I love it, guys. I really love it. So I just came off the road. I went to a new studio, and I basically was just talking business with these people. So home, and I think I'm gonna go to the pool side with Chinny. But she's kind of doing her nails at the moment, so I'm gonna meet up with her in a few, and we're gonna chill out by the pool and make a pool vlog today. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Look at my hair. Ooh la la, where's Bob? Okay guys, guess who it is. Today we're gonna have a nice little water day. So this is my outfit. Turn it sideways. See it? Sideways? Why sideways though? For vlog. Come on. Oh. And guess who? That's in Dynamite.
Alright, fresh.
No.
Yeah.
Where am I poured yo? When I get that?
This is Giorgio.
When you get that?
Giorgio, say hi to my vlog.
My poured
I
yo.
can see him hot. Chini. Watch, I'm gonna leave my chair outside. I just screen a rain in the fall.
Hey.
Mosquito come from.
Not a rain now, fall, my love.
No. Even still, I'd still go in this rain. I'm ready to go. We don't have weaving. So, not to worry about this. Somewhere. So yeah, we're going to the where river?
Castleton!
Say hi to Chini a long time. Who remember, if you're a long time subscriber, then you're going to remember Chini.
Chinny! The one I know.
But Chini never actually get an actual vlog with her line. Most times we're always
Party.
and so all the kids don't care.
Oh, my fan lip gloss, bro.
We can finally see Chini daytime personality.
Yes. Without the alcohol.
Yeah. So that's what we're about to do, and yeah, I think we can get some pictures. So that's why I'm wrapping a little bit. So we're just with us a little bow and some short hair.
You want to get it from my place?
No.
Check you guys make
A place that the farm.
Guys, she did make a pit stop. I'm getting gas. And then we'll be on our way again. My shorts is so tight. Like my shorts is so tight, guys. Like I'm having wow, man.
You look like a superstar.
Black man vlog.
But where you usually go? Enough people go there. Enough people go there. It's never empty.
No.
So maybe mine is further down the river than where you are.
shine so bright you might get a tan up in here. Yeah, I'm an ant, but my man disappeared. So I ain't scared of none of y'all staying in the
Them have a different way for going in.
Come down.
Huh?
It's a river.
River, but you have to walk down to it.
So what the one with? At the same
You
river?
don't want to walk, we still have to walk where she wants going.
We still have to walk on this before we walk through on Friday part.
Yeah, more something like that.
You want to meet us?
I don't think nobody drive come up there.
I really like place of little people, you know.
No, not drive, go down there.
I'm not drive go down there. It's steep, you know.
People down there, Giorgio?
No, it's quiet. It's always quiet.
Oh, you been there before?
Yeah. Over a liquor shop too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Carry only what you need because you want as liquor weight to go up and come down.
But now nothing. Put my pack with everything today.
We are come out, Panda.
Yeah, come on. Watch good, yeah, come on. Come on, chicken.
Remember I tell you as liquor weight as possible.
Oh, I have a bag.
And then we are
That's an easy walk, you know.
party and we
Yeah. Ready.
Nobody in a drive come up and down this. But them can get in and out like this.
There's a chance.
Good, yes, man.
We can walk.
Yeah, right.
Walk in.
Why are you carrying so much things? I tell you, it's not an easy walk. Go down and come up, you know.
It's only a bag.
It's only a bag.
Well, put.
Jojo, you're
something
worrying
in the
about the
bag.
wrong thing. We're used to bringing our handbags.
Everything in there. We are come out, and then we are come out.
Yes, could it be a body jar? And so.
Red stripe is supposed to.
4 and 2 magnums.
So why you leave the door open? Come on.
Babe, so no easy.
You just run it on the floor.
Run left your drawers and everything.
Hills and valleys too. Yeah, we're gonna take some nice pictures.
Judge lead the way.
Come. Just know what carry it.
Start with me.
Yeah, the man.
We're not going to leave our handbags.
No, too much
way.
things in there I would need. Hear the cricket them.
Yes, girl. I feel like when they are
You feel like in that country good?
Yeah.
That's good, you know.
I like them. I want to see your country girl, you know. But it's advised protect my
No,
Long
take your
while.
time, cause your slippers might
Surprise.
make you slide.
From the look on her foot, you see, yeah, man, a hills.
Yeah.
You know,
She
so
know
you
if
get
you
them
crunch
foot,
the
that's how you
toe.
get them
She
foot
know if
there.
you crunch the toe and come down. Watch your country girl.
They're looking stuck
Watch them girls step down a country.
Yeah, man. So I saw the you look. But we're going to go down to the local garden. I saw it look.
Oh, yeah. Well fit. Yo, it's real freaking country, yo. You can even hear the freaking cricket.
I like this.
This though, I love it. It's actually like a community. Wow. Can you imagine you live right here so, and like there's a river in your backyard? That's blessed. So we're going down some long streams of hills, guys. Look behind me.
Adventure.
Look. Look, Chinny going down. Wow. Yo.
You look odd in them place. You look like a real hot girl a visit.
Okay, video shoot me. I come here for do. Oh my God. So you can tell my feet are not used to these hills. You can tell. Yo, this no chili. Yo, no. No. Georgia, you came this far?
Yeah, just step in the hole.
Hold on, I forgot to turn off this. I can't do this.
It's here, some man. But I knew for the water level wouldn't be as high.
So guys, Georgia can't go on sorry for that. Woo. Let's go, we reach halfway.
No? I don't
We
know.
reach a tire section now. It's like a, we call it boot camp. Boot camp, forget to the river there.
Dog, I see the road set up down to
Look
my
what you...
far like fuck.
Oh, you're used to them walking at Chinny.
No, a long time.
You know me, I breathe hard. Asthma take me for the hill.
Yeah, we could G.
Giorgio, I'm a shot. I didn't know you're not hearing pack lights.
I told you. Yeah. Well,
The shirt.
Him should have really said pack 2 sneakers. What Chinny? We not reach yet.
Do you mind? Which way?
No, so I'm sure say I road tap me. I swear I wish I road tap. Many rivers to cross. Watch there.
Many rivers to cross.
More hill. So we can go so?
Thank God for that little breeze here.
Look what Georgia does to the people them.
Watch me foot them and go up there now. Every muscle stem up in them.
The calf them grow today. Fuck all off after we don't tree. I just watch the fuck of them in the eyelash and put me up themselves and I climb hill.
Where you put the bucket in?
at least you can't do no chatting now. You're out of breath.
We can't go to the king door.
Alright,
Taking me.
time to go.
I'm just like when we're working out.
Watch them make
Work in your body. Squeeze those glutes.
What's up there, Chinny? Go up, small way.
What, mommy?
I couldn't take on that hill there.
What, mommy? The water
couldn't
level.
take on that
The
hill
water
there.
level low now.
Oh, Castleton, they're on the top? Yeah.
No, I did want to go this one. Cause I know more time the level high, but it low now.
We just saw one nice river.
Yes.
Where everybody?
Exactly. But
So you see where you frig way up there, Georgia?
No, this one a bad one to water
Chilling
high.
the little
you
TNT.
don't listen.
Oh my God.
Hey, hold on, what you say?
Whew.
Zero.
No.
Yes, this is it. This looks like somewhere.
That's your spray there.
It worked, man. Because I haven't found it. Is that river down there? Yeah, sure, you guys are touching.
Hi, good day. Where is the entrance to the river?
It's Chinny.
It's still on.